let's go check out the incredible and untold story of making pineapple pizza. Birth of the golden fruit. The farm. Check out these fields. Miles and miles of just pineapples. This isn't your backyard garden. This is industrial farming on a massive level. When these pineapples ripen and turn golden, this place gets super busy. But here's the catch. Pineapple plants are beautiful, but they are covered in thorns. So the workers here have to wear special gear and gloves. With skilled hands, they pick the pineapples that are the exact right size and weight. Why? Because the factory machines are super picky. They won't accept just anything. These harvested pineapples get loaded onto trucks via conveyor belts, starting their first road trip. Destination: the high-tech processing plant. Cleaning. Once they hit the factory, it's basically like a water park ride for the pineapples. Thousands of them get dumped into these huge water channels. It's called a water flume. Two things happen here at once. One, the water current floats the pineapples from point A to point B so they don't get bruised. And two, all that dirt and dust from the farm gets washed away automatically. But just floating isn't enough. Next, they hit the heavy-duty showers. Look at those giant rotating brushes scrubbing every single corner of the pineapple. This hygienic step is super important because nobody wants a crunchy bite of sand in their pizza, right? After the wash, it's test time. You might be able to fool a human eye, but you can't fool these machines. Here, lasers and advanced sensors scan every single pineapple in the blink of an eye. Too ripe? Rejected. Too small? Rejected. They even use infrared light to check the sugar levels inside to see if it's sweet enough. Robotic arms sort out the good ones with electric speed. This perfect quality control makes sure that the taste you get in a can or on a pizza is always exactly the same. The machine you're seeing now, it's called the Ginaca machine, the magician of the pineapple industry. This invention from about 100 years ago is the reason pineapples are so cheap and popular worldwide. Notice how in a split second, it takes a rough, prickly pineapple, peels it, removes the hard core, and turns it into a perfect cylinder. A human would take minutes to do this. The machine does it instantly. The blades are so sharp, the pineapple doesn't even realize it lost its armor. Those beautiful yellow cylinders now move to the slicing machine. This is where the decision happens. Will they be rings or little cubes for pizza? The blades are spinning like a storm. For pizza lovers, this part is oddly satisfying to watch. See how a giant cylinder turns into thousands of tiny uniform pieces in moments? This precise cutting ensures that every piece bakes evenly once it hits the oven. Now we enter the pizza zone. This is where the pineapple chunks meet their new best friends. Watch the conveyor belt moving the dough along. Automatic nozzles spread the perfect amount of tomato sauce, followed by a waterfall of cheese. And then the magic moment. Those fresh, juicy pineapple cubes we just cut are raining down onto the pizzas. No human hands needed. Sensors make sure the pineapple is spread out perfectly. This is where the Hawaiian pizza truly comes to life. The assembled pizzas are now heading to the hottest spot in the factory, the industrial tunnel oven. You can call it a tunnel of fire. Pizzas ride the belt in one side and come out the other. Inside, at around 400 to 500 degrees, the magic happens in just a few minutes. Look at that cheese bubbling, the crust puffing up and getting crispy, and the pineapples getting slightly caramelized and golden. You can almost smell the hot pizza smoke coming through the screen. You can't box these pizzas while they're steaming hot or they'll get soggy, so they rush through a cooling tunnel to lock in that crispiness. Then comes the high-speed packaging. Watch how fast those robotic arms wrap the pizzas in plastic. Then, blink and you'll miss it, they're shoved into cardboard boxes. The speed is so fast you'd mess up trying to count them, but the machines don't make mistakes. Labeling, sealing, it's all done in an instant. The pizza boxes are now packed into big cartons, and you don't need people to lift these heavy loads. Giant robotic arms stack the cartons onto wooden pallets like it's nothing. Once a pallet is full, a driverless vehicle or automated forklift comes and whisks it to the massive cold storage warehouse. From here, these pizzas will be shipped by truck to supermarkets and restaurants all over the city. Can you believe it? That prickly fruit from the field is now boxed up and waiting to hit your dinner table. So guys, from the dirt on the farm to the factory oven, how was that journey for a pineapple pizza? Seeing all those robots and perfect machines working, I don't know about you, but I'm craving pizza right now. Now I have a small request. If seeing that pineapple rain down on the pizza made your mouth water, you have to hit that like button. That's our deal. And if you're a pizza lover, hit subscribe right now, because next up in the next video. Until then, eat lots of pizza and take care.